Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get rid of cold sores naturally. Cold sores, also known as fever blisters, are painful outbreaks that usually appear around the lips, nose and chin. The condition is quite common as well as contagious. Factors like hormonal changes in the body, fever, fatigue, emotional stress, skin trauma, and excess sun exposure may contributing to an outbreak of sores. Here are some simple home remedies that can heal cold sores naturally. Home remedy number 1, acetone. Acetone or nail polish remover is one of the most powerful and easy remedy for treating cold sores at home. Dip a cotton swab in nail polish remover. Gently apply it on your cold sore for quick relief. Repeat this remedy 2 times daily until it heals completely. Home remedy number 2, hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide helps reduce inflammation and target the root cause of cold sores. Dip and soak a cotton swab in a small amount of 3% food grade hydrogen peroxide. Apply it directly on the affected area and hold for 5 minutes for instant relief. Rinse your face gently with cold water. Do this twice a day until you achieve desired results. Home remedy number 3, hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is a great disinfectant that helps fight and kill the virus that leads to cold sores. Squeeze a small amount of hand sanitizer on a cotton swab. Apply it directly on the affected area to prevent spreading the virus and promote quick healing. Do this at least twice daily until your cold sores heals completely. Home remedy number 4, rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is an effective solution that helps in treating cold sores. Dip a cotton swab in a small amount of rubbing alcohol. Make sure you use a 70% solution readily available at drugstores. Apply it directly on the affected area for immediate relief. Repeat this twice daily until you see a difference. Home remedy number 5, tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is also very effective to heal cold sores. Pour small amount of tea tree oil on a cotton swab. Apply it directly on the affected area for quick healing. Let the oil evaporate naturally. Do this twice a day until your cold sores heals completely. Home remedy number 6, peppermint oil. Peppermint oil also very useful to combat cold sores. First, rinse the cold sores and surrounding area with water. Pour a little peppermint oil on a cotton swab. Apply it directly on the affected area. Do this twice daily until you completely get rid of your cold sores. Home remedy number 7, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the oldest and most effective remedies for cold sores. Soak a cotton swab in apple cider vinegar. Apply it directly on the affected area for instant relief. Hold for 15 minutes. Do this 3 times a day for a few days. Home remedy number 8, ice compress. Applying an ice compress is an amazing technique to soothe and relieve cold compress. Put some ice cubes in a towel or cotton cloth and bundle it up to form a compress. Apply the compress over the affected area for quick results. Keep shifting and do not keep the ice pack in the same position for more than 5 minutes. Repeat 3 times a day for several days. These remedies are very effective to cure cold sores naturally. So apply these remedies as per set direction to get rid of cold sores completely. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.